Hello everyone and welcome to SeaVenture. I'm Jeff, and on behalf of everyone here at Discovery Cove, we're thrilled that you're about to embark on a sea venture of your own. Let's start with a quick review of what you're in store for. For any of you who've ever dreamed of exploring under the sea and getting to know its inhabitants, this is your moment. SeaVenture allows you to visit our underwater world without the need for specialized training or knowledge of diving. It's as easy as if you were walking and breathing during a stroll in the park, but it's also a unique and new sensation in its own right. Underwater, you'll have the feeling of near weightlessness, almost as if you're walking on another planet. And in a way, you really are visiting another world. You'll encounter all types of animals, large and small, assembled from all the oceans of the world. Along the way, you will have up-close and personal interactions with marine life. So now go out there and have a great sea venture.